Hey guys, it's the K&H Films here. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while, but the reason is I've been waiting for this package. It is so my partner, Obsidian Giant, got a Supaboy, and this is the new Supaboy. It is called the Retro Bit Core Edition, or also known as the Retro Duo. And this can play SNES games, NES games where you can hook it up to the TV and play. So yeah, I don't know a lot about this one, but seems cool. So I'm gonna check this out here. Whoa, cool. Charging cord, all that stuff. Oh, okay, this is cool. Okay, so this you can plug like other stuff into. So like you plug it in like that, and you can play like, two controllers. So I was hoping it would have that. If it didn't have that, I would have like screamed my head off. Okay, so here it is. It's a lot smaller, which makes me a lot happier because Superboy is like this big, and it's like really big and bulky. So this one, volume. Let's see, power. The power button's on the side. Oh, sweet, it's got some battery. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off this screen protector. Because I don't like the screen protectors on them. It's got that new thing smell. Okay. So then I also recently got this, the Super Game Boy. Unfortunately, to get this, I sold all my NES games because I thought that I wasn't going to get any more. But then this, and I was like, wow, gee, thanks for letting me know. But like, yeah, this attachment right here lets you play NES games. So I'm going to go ahead and pop in this Super Game Boy. Actually, no. I'm going to play, this is like one of my favorite Super Nintendo games. It's called Killer Instinct. It's like, I don't know. It's just cool. I don't know if you can hear that, but oh, that's cool. I like this game a lot. So like, you choose your player. Let's go with Yago. Orchid. So it's like if you've ever played the game oh, what's it called? Mortal Kombat. This is like an early version of that. Ow. I'm really bad at this game right now.